Okay, here we have this Tamiya holiday buggy. This is an RC car that dates from 1980. So 1980 Tamiya holiday buggy original. As you can see, the body shell has seen better days, but you know, it's in solid condition, just a few scratches. There's the RC car itself. As you can see, she has a standard 380 motor. It's not none of that modern 540 malarkey or brushless malarkey. Extra batteries to power the electronics, and then a separate battery, namely this really mint NiCad thing. It's 5-cell, 6-volt NiCad, would power the car. It has a mechanical speed controller, works a bit like a scale electric controller. This one's a bit worn out, hey ho. It is all there, it's relatively intact, and it will work, I believe. This needs a bit of adjustment, but yeah. Apart from that, underneath looks pretty good. And ignore the fact things fall out of it, they need sticking down with something. It came with this quick charger. The charger itself is in pretty good condition. The box kind of isn't, as you can see. Came with a Akamos, yeah, the original AP 227 27 MHz radio. There's the radio itself. It's kind of hard to open it on camera. The car comes with its original manual. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure what this is. Oh no, there we go, there's the manuals for that. I'm not sure about this other. It appears to have a manual for something else in it. Connections mini playset. Okay, yeah, that's something a bit different. Probably dates from a similar time period. Yeah. It's pretty cool. 1980 Tamiya holiday buggy. The original AP 227. Mark 2. Controller, retro RC car, retro Tamiya, vintage Tamiya RC car, similar to Sand Scooter, Tamiya Frog, sort of would have been out around this time, Tamiya Hilux, Tamiya Monster Beetle, all those would have been around. This is the Tamiya holiday buggy that they did. This is, you know, obviously somewhat based on the Volkswagen Beetle Dune buggy thing. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I am selling this one or swapping it for something a bit more modern. This isn't really my kind of thing for all the time, but you know, it's still interesting to look at for sure. Showing boxes weren't in much better condition. They're pretty bad when I got them, but yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And by the way, I'm testing a new camera. Can you guess what one? Put it down in the comments.